The problems in our educational system are really quite grave, no? Starting out with the learning environment, classrooms, lack of internet, textbooks, mga concerns po ng mga teachers, of course, malnutrition and stunting. The only way we can really get these problems resolved is really to focus. Mag-focus tayo, pondohan natin at i-implement natin ng maayos. But we can start somewhere. Yung ating problema sa classrooms. Yung classroom gap po natin is 166,000 classrooms. So kinakailangan po talagang matutukan natin, makahanap tayo ng iba't ibang mga solusyon at ibayanihan natin ang problema ng classroom sa ating bansa. Pag maganda po yung learning environment, may classroom, mas malakas po yung chance na matuto yung bata. Kung yung bata hindi nagugutom, kaya niyang matuto. Kung yung teacher, tama yung specialization, masaya kasi incentivized, mas magaling rin yung pagtuturo niya, mas malaki rin yung chance na matututo yung mga bata.